So in this first video about fractions and reviewing fractions, we're going to be converting fractions between mixed numbers and improper fractions. So things to know: a mixed number is a number with an integer and a proper fraction. So our integer is any whole number, positive or negative. So like 3, and our proper fraction is any fraction where the numerator, so the number on top, is less than the number on bottom. So we have 3 2/3. That's a mixed number. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. So that could be 11/3 or 125/16. Anything where the numerator is greater than the denominator. How to know which form to give your answer in. Basically, mixed numbers are real-world situations. In cooking, we don't say in a recipe you need 9/4 cups of flour. We say 2 1/4. When we're talking distance, we don't say that is 21/5 of a mile. We say approximately 4 miles, or 4 1/5 mile. So real-world situations, we use those mixed numbers. But if we're working pure mathematics, you're in the middle of a multi-step problem, just keep it improper. And really, again, unless it's real world, I would prefer improper fractions as your answers. So our first example here, we're going to convert the following mixed number into an improper fraction. So in order to convert we're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator, which I'm going to abbreviate to denom, and then add the numerator. All of that, so the answer, will go over our denominator. So when I do this, I'm going to do 7 times 4, so whole number times denominator, plus 3, and all of that will be over 4. So 7 times 4 is 28, plus 3 over 4, and then 28 plus 3 is 31. So our answer is 31/4. And that's how we convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. Our next example, we're going to go the opposite way, convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. And so when I do this, I'm going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Sorry, it's been a while since I've used my writing tablet. And then at the end, anything that remains will be over our denominator. So I know that 12 goes into 36 3 times, so that's going to be my whole number. And so 12 times 3 gives us 36. So then we have, and I do this off to the side, 38 minus 36 to find my remainder, which is 2. And then I have 2 over 12 as my fraction. They're basically like our steps. If needed, simplify. So in this case, 2 12s can be simplified. And so we're going to divide both 2 and 12 by 2, so we end up with 3 1/6. And that is our final answer. And that's how we convert mixed numbers to improper fractions and improper fractions to mixed numbers.